Right, welcome to Porta, North America, Charlotte, North Carolina. We moved to this office from Connecticut 2 years ago. The main reason for the move was to expand. But up in Connecticut, we didn't have the ability to actually do runoffs of machines. It was primarily for service, spare parts, and applications. So we bought this building, 16,500 square feet, and we have a very good open area for building the machines. Ultimately, we will have 3 build bays for our standard Porta Center machines. The lobby is going to be completely redone, making it very similar to the lobby at Porta. So we're heading now towards our service department. Applications is in here. Sales manager's office on the left. In our conference room where we can have video conference, we can have parts on camera. It's a nice setup. Lunchroom on the right. And then we go into our service office. We have 4 service technicians supporting machines all the way back to the mid-80s. We of course not only service Porta, but we also service the Sala product line as well, which we are the North American distributor for. This is also part of service. This is the area where we rebuild circuit boards for older machines, where we do spindle testing, shipping, receiving. Separate shop bathroom for guys working on the machines, even with a shower. What's nice is a lot of the offices and that, they were already here, including that bathroom, for example. So although we are going to be making some changes in the next year, for the most part, it came pretty ready to run. This is our spare parts area, the large parts outside on these racks. And you can see pretty extensive amount of parts for our customers. This is our tool room. So we have the ability to make parts if necessary. We can make jaws, different types of things for the turnkeys for our machines. To your left here, this is our QC area, where we'll keep our inspection equipment, ultimately with CMM. We have 3 loading docks, 1 dock high and 2 drive-ins. Plenty of room for our trucks for loading and unloading machines. That's our service van over there, loaded with parts, ready to pay a visit. This last door on your left is actually sized for our 50 taper machine. On your left here, of course, coolant storage, waste. We follow ISO procedures here at Porta, North America. What you see on the floor with the tape is where our showroom will be. So this office here to the left where the compressor is will also be blocked in. Although the compressor is not very loud, we do want to keep it separate from the showroom. This showroom is where our standard multi-center ISO 40 will be. We'll have the MAR automation testing and training cell, which you see in front of you. Ultimately also with a Sala linea on the floor. For further training, we do have separate spindles, slide packs, tool changers, 4th axis, all the critical components off of our machine line so we can train separate. In front of you, that wall will come down, and that will also become part of the training area, but that will be for our flexible production training school. Not just training on machines, but also training lean manufacturing and production machining. This is the Porta demo machine. Porta will always have an ISO 40 machine on the floor for testing for customers, testing tooling for projects, and also for demos. The Porta center line is our flexible machining center line. It is a standard machine built in series. We also do have our super transfer, high volume, more process-based built machines, but they use a lot of the same componentry. The spindles, slides, table are very similar for both. The main difference is the super transfer machine is built using standard components for a specific project, while the Porta center machine, the ISO 40, ISO 50, those are standard and are only tooled for a project. The super transfer is super in that it has a 10-year warranty, spindles, table, even the ball screws. It's our service manager. So we're still growing into our office. We have a little extra room. So we do have an office that could be used for something else, but today for storage. We have an office for our printing, plotting, that type of thing. As I said, this office here is going to be taken down. The ceiling height here will be, as you see here, and this will be the flexible training school. Past this point, going into the proper showroom, the ceiling height is going to be 14 feet. We will have room for our ISO 50 in there. General manager office. Office manager. And the office for when our Italian friends pay us a visit. So that's pretty much it. Porta North America, relocated in Charlotte. Looking forward to doing business with you.